Oh, man. That feels good, Portland. Feels good to get your laughter. Makes me feel like a real man. But you know what? Anytime I feel good, I feel like a big man, I like to go home and remind myself that we're all gonna die. And then I have a real sad snack. Got a sad snack with me now. This is a hard-boiled egg in a plastic bag. There's no sadder snack in the universe than right here, ladies and gentlemen. But what do I do when I eat my sad snack? Well, I read tweets to myself that no one liked. First tweet. Anybody want to hang out tonight? RT, if you're lonely. Nobody RT. Hey ladies in super high-waisted pants, why do you hate boners so much? Not even a favorite. If I had a dog, whenever I take it on a walk, I constantly scream, "He thinks he's taking me for a walk!"
Oh my God.
Just put a salt lick out for the deer. Salt lick is what I call my penis when it's covered in tears.